daddy get on my level, nigga. Ha! It's that nigga Young Simi. Ha! It's the kid.
Though 2 times,
Yeah.
nigga.
Huh?
Talk to him, Simi.
See a nigga like me, gotta get it. Chillin' with my niggas smoked out in the Civic. Money on my mind,
Yeah.
groupies on my line.
Yeah.
Niggas gon' hate, so I put them to the side.
For sure.
Niggas acting funny when I say it's time to ride.
For sure.
Mommy got the ass and the bright brown eyes. Funky like a motherfucking mink rug. Smoking good, lil' nigga, I'm my own plug. Who I be? Cold ass nigga, that go by saying me. Mommy wanna kick it, but if she ain't lick it, then she gotta take a ticket. Or not, she can hit it. If you in my presence, then you better be lifted or about doing business. Baller blockers keep them outside the fences. 40 cal, leave his bitch as defenseless. Bumpin' Gucci, I just thought I should mention that I'm here. XXL, freshman of the fucking year. Yeah.
My nigga, I got you, bruh. Rated clan for life, and we can tell them like this. You niggas need to make like Redman and pick it up. Cause I'm listening to your stuff like Jada, I had enough. I'm about to pull my dreads out and jump in front of a truck. Man, you like a plunger, all you do is suck.